Please be ready for a dictation of Part 2 of the address by the President of India at Defence Services Staff College, Wellington, on 4th August 2021. 5 seconds. Start. Ladies and gentlemen, I would like to convey my appreciation for the outstanding grit and determination displayed by men and women of the armed forces in dealing with the situation on our borders as well as the COVID-19 pandemic. Very recently, I had an opportunity to interact with our officers and soldiers in the Kashmir Valley. I felt very happy to observe their high morale and dedication to duty. Most of you have been among the frontline warriors dealing with these challenges. The country appreciates your commitment and contribution. We are passing through challenging times which is full of changes. The concepts of national security and defense are changing. Geostrategic and geopolitical compulsions and many other factors have made the security landscape more complex. Low-intensity conflicts, counter-terrorism, and non-combat conflicts pose different challenges. There is a need to have a thorough understanding of all aspects. In these changing times, we have to think of new ways to secure our national interests and ensure our national security. This would require a fresh approach. I am told that during the staff course, you will be given comprehensive inputs to help you understand the changing dynamics. With an understanding of the larger picture, you will be able to identify your role in the areas of national security. The emerging threats in the cyber world and space require state-of-the-art technological responses. Use of advanced technology by non-state actors also calls for upgraded response. Issues like climate change may have impact on security preparedness. All such issues influence the security calculus of the nation. You have to comprehend their implications so that you are better prepared to deal with them. Dear student officers, every new generation stands on the shoulders of previous generations, builds upon this heritage and makes new advances. You all have been identified as potential leaders of our armed forces. You have to emulate the extraordinary standards set by your predecessors and go beyond them. The 21st century society is described as knowledge society. Knowledge truly is power in this century. Just as we are said to be in an era of knowledge economy, we are also into the age of knowledge warfare. As defense professionals, you have to be a knowledge warrior. The motto of this college is Yuddham Pragya, which has been translated as into war with wisdom. Let me touch upon the significance of the word Pragya in this context. Sanskrit words cannot have their exact English translations. However, it is possible to comprehend their essence. The word Smriti denotes knowledge about the past. The word Mati describes awareness about the future. The word Buddhi indicates grasp of the present. But the word Pragya covers knowledge about past, present, and the future, all the three dimensions of time. So, Yuddham Pragya is a very meaningful motto. You build upon the experiences of the past, align such learning to the current context, and upgrade your knowledge to become ready for the future. I am sure that your professional learning here at DSSC will enable you to imbibe the required competencies. It will equip you with the right toolkit to take on bigger challenges in the future. In order to become effective leaders of men and women, you will have to demonstrate excellence in personal and professional domains. Confidence, courage, endurance, integrity, humility, and simplicity will strengthen you as a person. Continuous learning of cutting-edge technologies, state-of-the-art strategies and tactics, and latest developments will make you sound professionals. I wish the student officers and distinguished faculty the very best in your joint learning endeavors. Thank you. Jai Hind.